What's up YouTube? This is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned about conditioning formatting. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, the cells in the Google Sheets are all white and it's pretty plain. It doesn't tell you much except for the words that I'm looking for. First green day, red bar, retest the previous day high, and maybe a spinning top or doji. It doesn't highlights. Basically, what I'm trying to share with you about conditional formatting is that it highlights certain cells in the column to make the table stand out. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, as a trader, I'm looking for a pullback. So I'm looking for a red bar. I'll go to menu tab, conditional formatting, and I highlighted column Q. And let me do something for this. Q2, because I only want the data below the header to all Q. Okay, so this is what we have. So right now the color mode, the cells affected. So right now I'm looking at red bar, so it's a text. So text contains, and all I have to do is just type red, and it should only affect those cells that have red in it, as you can see. Okay, so move on to the next one, which is W column. I'm looking at first green day. Let's go conditional formatting. Format cells, because it is a text, so I'm only concerned with this. It can be green, but because I'm looking at high volume and a bullish engulfing candle, first green. I don't think if it matters if it's a big caps or small caps. Yep, it doesn't matter. Okay, so right now what we have in the table is column Q and column W, which is first day signal and second day signal. As you can see, we are looking at red bar and first green day bar. Okay, UVWX, let's see, UVXY. It's pretty small. Okay, so it is what my Google Sheet say. It is a bullish engulfing candle with high volume. As you can see, the volume is about 82 million versus the previous day, which is only 42 million. Yep, I guess the Google Sheet actually shows you what has happened. And this is how you use conditional formatting. Can you add another rule? Yes. Whenever you use conditional formatting, it is restricted to columns and rows. You cannot, as far as I'm concerned, select the whole, have the whole row affected. Like, let me put it this way, whether, because the rules is isolated only on cells per cell or the columns, it doesn't affect the, like, if let's say I want first green day, affects here. It only affects those that are highlighted. It doesn't automatically affect those below. Let's try if it does. See, it is not restricted. It just highlights the whole thing, which is not what I want. So this is a rule. This is a function in Google Sheets conditional formatting that I wouldn't find it convenient for my custom scanner, because if I don't want to be distracted with all the other cells, all I have to do is do this, do a filter, create a filter. I already made a filter called breakout. So what this does is basically shows me all the tickers that have red bar and all the tickers that have a green bar. Okay, let's see, red bar and first green day. See, this is much cleaner and clearer. So even though conditional formatting highlights to use the cells that cater to the formula that you set, it is not very user friendly, or is not user friendly to the eyes. Okay, I hope you enjoy today's video and know everything you need to use about conditional formatting. If you find this useful, please like this video or share. And if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe. See you.